Hello, hello.
No,
We got it? Hold up, we're recording, bro. Say what's up, Brian.
Hey guys.
Come on, bro. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, guys?
YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a mid-low fade on my guy Brian right here. I'm gonna walk you guys through this whole tutorial step by step. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button and comment down below any constructive criticism you guys have towards the channel. Come over here, look at the C cup area. We're gonna go, this is halfways right here. We're gonna go about 25% right here. Highest point will be at the top of the ear. Then we're gonna dip it down. The occipital bone is right here. I can feel it. It's the bone in the back of the head. So we're gonna go about, I'd like to say like maybe almost 2 fingers, a finger and a half towards the back. I'm gonna start right here. Start making my guideline with my saber trimmer by Gamma. Look at them from the front. Do the same thing on the other side. Occipital bones right here. So we aimed it kind of like a finger and a half below. So now that we remove the bulk on this side, all we have to do is just connect the guideline. We're gonna scoop out and drop it towards the back. So you guys can see the guideline like this. We're gonna do the same, basically the same shape. Drop it towards the back. We have a nice clean canvas now. It's not as bulky. So we're gonna attach our one guard. Usually I'd go in with the half and do a guideline, but since his hair is a lot thicker, I'm just gonna clear the space real quick with the one guard lever open. We're gonna go 2 fingers and drop it and just shape everything alongside this guideline right here. This is the foundation of our whole fade right here. So we got every single guideline already set. The first guideline is the lever open. Second guideline, 1 guard lever open right here. 2 guard lever open and 3 guard lever open. So we're gonna go guideline by guideline by guideline and blend everything out. We're gonna be using one method of blending. It's gonna be open to closed. But just for now, we're gonna attack the first line. First, balding it out and then going open to close with the lever. So I'm gonna be using my Uno shaver by Gamma. I'm gonna flick out towards maybe like 90% of this area to leave a little bit of stubble to blend the shaver to the trimmer. So using this right here, I like using it like this. A lot of people use it like this. I just feel like I have more control using both of my index and my thumb finger like this. We left a little bit of stubble and I'm gonna go in with my babyless skeletons and just barely chip at that area right there. Open lever, stretch the skin, Corner of my blade, I'm gonna keep working all the way to the back of the ear. Close it a little bit. Now we're gonna go a tiny bit lower now. Close it a tiny bit, go a tiny bit lower now. Close it a little bit more, and we're gonna go towards 25% of this. Close it all the way and hit the beginning. Then we're gonna now just keep opening it little by little and work our way up. So we go open to close, and then now close to open, just to go faster with your fading process. Open lever, we're gonna work everything now over here from the guideline. Start right here, open lever. Close it a bit, go a tiny bit lower. Now it's midway. When we get to the midway point, just hit the guideline in the middle. So go from the beginning to the middle part and don't go any higher. Open. Middle. Hit it in the middle. Close it all the way and hit the beginning. Now keep just working your way up. Now go, we went closed, and now we're going middle, hitting the middle. Open it a tiny bit, go a tiny bit higher, open it all the way, and hit the full thing. Just keep doing that until your guideline is completely blended. All right, so we have officially blended this first line out. We have the second guideline now, the one guard lever open. This is a two-step process. So first we're gonna go one guard lever open and go open to closed to soften this line, but that's only gonna soften it. We're gonna have to go with the half guard on the next step to finalize the blend of the second line. We're gonna go one level down and start the open to closed method. Working my way to the back of the ear. Then now using the right corner, working my way to the C-cup area. Left corner now, same thing. Put it midway. Now we're gonna try to hit it midway. Close it, and then just hit the beginning of the line. Now just once we go open to close, we're gonna go close to open. Working our way back up now to the guideline. Now I'm attaching my half guard. We're gonna go 75% right here open and do the same thing. We have one finger of blending room. So we're gonna go and we're gonna try to work with only half of this finger of blending with the half guard. So 75% open. Put it midway. Go a tiny bit lower now. Close it all the way in, hit the beginning of the line. And now we're gonna just go work our way up by opening the lever little by little now. All right guys, so we finished blending two lines out now. So we have to blend this darker side of the fade. Everything above the 1.5 is a lot darker, so you guys have to be really careful with how high you guys go up. So I have my 1.5 guard attached with the lever open. We're gonna go a finger above and pretend like you guys are setting a guideline, and then just work your way down, levels by levels, closing the lever. And I'm flicking out towards that 2.5 that we already set. Now I'm gonna close it at midway, go a tiny bit lower. Repeating the same motion. Close it at the beginning and repeat the same process. Close it a tiny bit. Close it all the way now. At the start of the line. So for the C-cup area, we're gonna first start here at the top. Then we're gonna take it from the bottom and connect it in the center. Just brush this down. We're gonna razor this really quick. Starting right here at the bottom. My exposed razor. Once you guys have that set, I can already visualize my C-cup. So come over here at the bottom, then turn your trimmer. I have my middle finger here set on his cheek so I can rotate. And I kind of have to angle the blade so it lands nice and flat. But then you can style it however you like, bro.
Well, I don't really style it, bro.
So we're gonna give him a very, very short trim on the top. So I'm gonna trim him kind of like a brush back. So we're gonna get one vertical section right here, and we're gonna follow that guideline around the whole cut. Put your head up like that. So now we have the vertical section, and we're gonna do a horizontal. We're gonna start chopping horizontal using this as our guide, our primary guide. All right, so we're gonna add some leave-in conditioner. I mean, this is what I do personally. Just gonna apply some on the tips, and then we're gonna use the diffuser to bring out his curls. I use some Cantu shea butter. Sure, I'm putting it right there and shit. Gonna go in with my thinning shears now and get rid of any bulk, any parts that have excess bulk. Some Tomb 45 powder on top. Just gonna spray it around.